Hello, now we will solve the following exercise. Receive an integer number and check if the number is either even or odd using Python. Well, the code and the exercise list is in the description of the video, so let's go to it. Let's plan first what we will implement. First, we will receive a number, an integer number. And then we will compute we check if it's even or odd and print it to the user. Check if it is even or odd and print it and print the results. Well, to receive the integer number, it's pretty simple. Our number, we can use the function input from Python. So our number, we want an integer number, so we cast integer into the number, and we'll have an input for the user. We'll ask, please insert an integer number, and that's it. Now we will check if it's even or odd. Also pretty simple. We can use if, and we can use the remainder operation. So if our number, the remainder operation of our number and 2 is 0, then our number is even. What's the remainder operation? The remainder operation, it is what remains after the integer division. I will explain it better in a moment. So if this happens, if the remainder operation of our number by 2 is 0, then the number, which is our number, is even. Our number. Just to remember the remainder operation, when we divide something, for example 7 divided by 2, and we want just to remember the remainder operation, when we divided a number, integer division, for example 7 divided by 2, the integer division will be 3 and 1 will remain, and that's exactly it. The remainder of the operation is what? So the remainder of 7 and 2 is 1. With the same thinking, for example, the remainder of 8 and 5 is 3, because the integer division of 8 by 5 is 1 and remains 3 for this division. But the remainder is pretty simple. Okay, and the remainder is even. Now, if this is not true, if the remainder of the division for number by 2 is not 0, then our number can only be odd. So if this is not true, print number is odd. The number is odd. Now let's check it. If we try 5, the result should be the number is odd. The number is odd. If we try 12, should be the number is even. The remainder of 12 and 2 is 0. It's even. And that's it, pretty much. Really simple.